Hello all, welcome back to KD Code. In today's video, let us see the Python roadmap for beginners. The first and foremost thing to know is about Package Manager. Actually, the Package Manager is a tool which helps the developer to install the package or module while doing the programs and Python projects. So here we concentrated only on two main types, pip and conda. Pip is the default package manager which you'll get while downloading the Python to your local system. Coming to the basics of Python, so you should familiar with writing the syntax, what are variables, how to assign, how to use the variables, you should know that, and what are the data types, data structures, typecasting in Python. Don't panic if you are not aware of these earlier. I am here to help you out. I'll give you the brief on the basic stuff. Data type is nothing but the type of the data, whether it is integer data like numeric data or string data type, or it's a boolean. So this indicates the data types. Data structure, actually in Python we have four main types. One is the list, tuple, set and dictionary. Regarding this we can discuss in the another video. And typecasting. Typecasting is nothing but here we have seen the data types, right? Integer, float, string. By using the typecasting, we can convert the one data type to other data type. Example, we can convert integer to float and float to integer by using this typecasting. Here we have two types, implicit and explicit type conversions. Next, we can jump into the conditional statements and loops. The conditional statements is like the flow which is controlled based on the conditions. Here we have various conditional statements like if statement, if else statement, if, else if and else, and nested if statements. And coming to the loops, we'll use the loops to iterate over a sequence. Especially we have two types of loops in Python, for loop and while loop. Then you can concentrate on the functions as well. Here we have user defined functions and built-in functions. Once you cover the basic foundational topics, now dive into the advanced concepts. Familiarize yourself with regular expressions, generators, decorators and lambdas, which are all comes under the advanced topics. And we know Python is the most happening for its packages which makes the coding easy. So here are the list of packages: NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, sklearn and Seaborn. Matplotlib and Seaborn were mainly helpful to visualize the data. And next we'll move into the data structure concepts and OOPS concepts. Like usual DSA concepts like arrays, stacks, queues, linked list, trees, searching algorithms. These and all you should aware, along with the OOPS concepts, classes, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, this and all you should know. And no project is complete without testing. So ensure you learn about the end-to-end testing, unit testing, integration testing and other types of it. And finally, we got to the end of the roadmap. Now let me tell you the applications of Python. Here we have following applications. So if you want to develop any interface or any web application, Python is very helpful to build those applications. So using Python, you can make your repetitive tasks automated. Here is where the automation plays a role using Python. And if you are a student programmer, then you already might be aware of machine learning, artificial intelligence and data science technologies, where Python is going to be the core of the project.